We're the Green Factor team. And for our environmental sustainability project, we decided to focus on vertical farming. Vertical farming is a new innovative way to plant crops more effectively and efficiently. But we as a group wanted to contact our community and agriculture firms to understand this topic more in depth. We found out that this solution can help with water usage, disease prevention, as well as soil preservation. And we realized that we wanted to create a product that allows to regulate this system and help standardize it throughout the nation.
As a team, we created a website which enables us to connect with our customers, where vertical farming companies can visit us and buy our products. For version 1, we created a smart system where the humidity sensor detects the humidity levels, and using a sensor library called Adafruit ADS, this library along with language Python enables us to pass the information from the sensor to the Raspberry Pi. And then after this, the data gets passed to the water output valve. Based on certain situations of soil humidity, the valve is opened and a certain percentage of water is released based on a certain amount of humidity. For our future versions, we'll be planning to expand on more sensors, dealing with temperature and soil quality.
In 2050, population growth will increase tremendously as there will be an additional 3 billion people living in our society, accounting for an estimated 9.7 billion human beings. Thus, this will cause a diminishing water supply and decline of food as land decreases. So how do we solve this? The answer is vertical farming. It is seen that according to the CEO of AeroFarms, 70% of our fresh water contamination comes from agriculture. At the same time, 70% of our freshwater usage goes to agriculture. This illustrates how vertical farms are utilizing water effectively, making it a cost-effective and efficient system. Additionally, vertical farms use less land than traditional farms while harvesting more crops. It is evident how this method to our solution is definitely a suitable way to approach the near future. To receive information from outside sources, we created a survey which helped us understand what the majority of people disliked and liked about vertical farming, allowing us to improve our product. Along with the surveys, we also talked to higher authorities in our community, which allowed us to establish connections and gain recognition in our local neighborhood and to better understand our target customer. Our target customer is not a specific individual that is influenced by certain factors, but instead it is the company that we are selling our product to. In this case, this would be the vertical farming companies that would utilize our product in order to improve what they have so far. These companies might consist of Plenty, AeroFarms, and other reliable vertical farming companies.
Vertical farming is the practice of growing produce in vertically stacked layers. They can produce food in challenging environments and help save space. It uses 90% less land while harvesting 80% more per unit of area. Our solution is a new and innovative type of farming that combines vertical farming with machine learning, which is the ability to sense and control factors that optimizes plant growth. Our smart vertical farming technique implements cube-shaped stacked containers that hold humidity, temperature, solar-induced fluorescent sensors, valves, and LED lights connected to a Raspberry Pi. These sensors can be configured to suit the needs and kinds of crops. Using vertical farming with sensors and robots will enable automated indoor farming. These sensors will make harmful pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides unnecessary. This will allow for fresh tasting, highly nutritious, safe foods that do not require chemicals in the surrounding vegetation. In the future, we want to incorporate visual sensors to detect crop condition. And then we can use this visual sensors and artificial intelligence to assess the amount of water plants need, which will help prevent water wastage, improving irrigation efficiency, cost, and will divert less water from the rivers and lakes.